Okay, heavy maintenance, heavy. I lost one coral, lost one fishy, and I have, I think, high nitrate levels. So I'm gonna do a complete breakdown. Plus the plexi got scratched between me and my daughter cleaning it. So I got this 40-gallon breeder where I'm gonna put everything from my aquarium into here temporarily. I have an air stone with the pump so that it oxygenates the water, and that's that. Yeah, my Duncan died. Was doing a water change and I left my auto top off on, and it messed up the parameters of the water salinity. And I do dose with Kalkwasser, and I guess a lot of it is in here. It fogged up the whole tank, everything. And now it's a complete mess. I'm surprised that the water is this crystal clear. But as you see, everything has a coating of white on it. And I have to get this clean. Okay, wish me luck.